A child who born after the death of his father.
Posthumous.
A woman who is unmarried.
Spinster.
A sight of short distance.
Myopia.
A sight of long distance.
Hypermetropia.
List of special word and technical words with definition.
Glossary.
Act of literary theft.
Plagiarism.
Very confident in behavior or intended to be noticed, especially by being bright-colored.
Flamboyant.
One who question everything.
Cynic.
A place for production and treatment of milk.
Dairy.
The killing of one's wife.
Uxoricide.
Study of religion.
Theology.
Study of heredity.
Genetics.
Study of coins.
Numismatics.
Study of birds.
Ornithology.
Study of relation between organism and environment.
Ecology.
Study of insects.
Entomology.
Study of aeroplanes.
Aviation.
Study of earth and rocks.
Geology.
Study of living things.
Biology.
Study of celestial bodies.
Astronomy.
Study of influence of planets and stars.
Astrology.
Scientific study of bodily diseases.
Pathology.
Study of problem of old age.
Gerontology.
Study of language.
Philology.
Study of bees.
Apiology.
Study of heart and heart diseases.
Cardiology.
Study of dogs.
Sinology.
Study of trees.
Dendrology.
Study of skin or skin disease.
Dermatology.
Study of wine or winemaking.
Enology or onology.
Study of cats.
Felinology.
Study of handwriting to analyze character of the writer.
Graphology.
Study of medicine for omen.
Gynecology or gynecology.
Study of liver.
Hepatology.
Study of horse.
Hippology.
Study of water.
Hydrology.
Study of weather.
Meteorology.
Study of kidneys and their diseases.
Nephrology.
Study of nerves.
Neurology.
Study of cancer.
Oncology.
Study of egg.
Oology.
Study of eyes.
Ophthalmology.
Study of mountain and their mapping.
Orology.
Study of bones.
Osteology.
Study of rocks.
Petrology.
Study of earthquakes.
Seismology.
Study of snakes.
Serpentology.
Study of mouth and its disease.
Stomatology.
Study of poisons.
Toxicology.
Study of flag.
Vexillology.
Study of animals.
Zoology.
Study of medicine for children and their disease.
Pediatrics or pediatrics.
Study of broken bones.
Orthopedics.
Study of handwriting.
Graphology.
Art of good handwriting.
Calligraphy.
Illegible bad handwriting.
Cacography.
A written message from far off place.
Telegraph.
An expert in writing by hand.
Chirographer.
A person who write dictionaries.
Lexicographer.
Writing by light.
Photograph.
Self-rule or control.
Autonomy.
A self-moving vehicle.
Automobile.
A machine that functions by itself.
Automatic.
A signature of oneself.
Autograph.
One with unlimited power.
Autocrat.
Love for mankind.
Philanthropy.
An expert in writing maps.
Cartographer.
Writing of one's life story.
Biography.
Writing of one's own life story.
Autobiography.
A process of printing from plate.
Lithography.
One who loves books as collection.
Bibliophile.
One who loves woman.
Philogyny.
One who loves man.
Androphile.
One who loves wisdom.
Philosopher.
One who is all-powerful.
Omnipotent or almighty.
One who is all-knowing.
Omniscient.
One who is present all over.
Omnipresent.
One who eats all kinds of foods.
Omnivorous.
A book containing all the published work of an author.
Omnibus.
One who believes in God.
Theist.
One who believes in one God.
Monotheist.
One who believes in many gods.
Polytheist.
One who believes the presence of God in everything in the universe.
Pantheist.
Religious madness.
Theomena.
Practicing only one marriage, having only one wife.
Monogamy.
Practicing two marriages.
Bigamy.
Practicing several marriage, having many wives.
Polygamy.
One who hate marriage.
Misogamy.
Having several husbands.
Polyandry.
One who hates man.
Misandrist.
People who have both male and female sexual organ.
Gynandries.
People having both male and female characteristics.
Androgynous.
The study of human development.
Anthropology.
One who love mankind.
Philanthropist.
Living on fruits.
Frugivorous.
One who hate human.
Misanthrope.
One who hate women.
Misogynist.
One who hates marriage.
Misogamist.
One who love his fatherland or country.
Patriot.
An inheritance from father.
Patrimony.